Hi there. Finding the 5 best workout sandbags for home and outdoor reviews worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is SKLZ Super Sandbag. Straight away you can see that the SKLZ is a bright and attractive looking bag. The SKLZ Super Sandbag has been designed to allow fitness enthusiasts to use the bag in many different ways due to the way that the handles are easy to grasp and good for grappling. The kit has been designed to resist the movement of 40 pounds of sand in all directions, and this should be enough for many fitness and CrossFit enthusiasts. This workout sandbag might not be heavy enough for bodybuilding, but a bodybuilder might still use it for toning or a cardio routine. These handles will ensure that your hands do not sustain any injury and that you are comfortable maneuvering the bag. We highly recommend this bag for fitness or CrossFit enthusiasts looking to up their game and also sports athletes trying to improve their explosiveness. The durability will allow for a lot of multifunctional utilization in various scenarios and positions without having to fear any tearing. Number 2. Our second best pick is Ultimate Adjustable Fitness Sandbag. The Ultimate Sandbag package should be one of the best packages for beginners to start off with. This trainer sandbag system features a huge weight limit of 80 pounds, which should be great for improving core strength and also overall fitness and explosive power. This will allow you to perform over 400 different exercises, and with its soft grip but robustly built handles, possible hand scraping issues or grip problems are kept to a minimum. From its appearance, this would not look out of place in an MMA or boxing gym. This is another very durable bag that can be dropped over and over with no signs of any meaningful damage to the bag. You should also notice that once all of the filler material has been added, there will be less space inside for the play sand to move around. This is definitely recommended for fitness freaks, and it will also be perfect for beginners to start off with. You can greatly improve your performance with this ultimate package for a long time. Number 3. Our third best pick is ForceTraining Sandbags. The sheer amount of weight that this is claimed can carry may sound like it is reasonable for strength training and making serious progress in your workouts. Previously, the toughness of the bag was also second to none, and fitness enthusiasts loved the flexibility that it offered. They are available in a wide range of colors and options, and the soft grip handles are a great addition to help to protect your hands from any abrasions. The added reinforcement in the bag allows you to add as much weight as possible. It is designed so that when dropped, the bag will have no chance of tearing. It also comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind that the bag is up to standard. It is worth noting that this is not waterproof. We highly recommend this training bag for people looking for something that they can progress with. The multifunctionality is impeccable, and for most this will offer you extreme workouts for many years to come. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is FITNESS Sandbags. The FITNESS Sandbag has been made to help you execute your fitness and training goals. Regardless of whether you are new to using a sandbag or an experienced user, it can be introduced to a range of exercises from presses, lunges, and squats. This bag is also available in different colors, and the weight capacity can differ between these offerings. Impressively, the largest size has a 5125 IBS capacity. The quantity of filler bags that are provided increases alongside the size of the sandbag. Should you wish to purchase the large option, you will receive 3 filler bags. Once filled, these bags can then be fastened using the double Velcro closure, which is responsible for preventing the sand from leaking. This sandbag features 6 low-profile handles that have been carefully fitted along the outside of the bag. The soft feel of the handles makes them easier to hold while preventing potential pain or irritations caused by discomfort. They also feature reinforced rivets which make them much more durable. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Meister Elite Fitness Sandbag. As a versatile piece of fitness equipment, the Meister 50 IB Elite Fitness Sandbag can be used during the completion of a range of exercises. From lunges, squats, and presses to circuit training and workouts. The quality construction of this bag ensures that it sees you through many uses. Made from PVC, it also features a thick inner core which will maintain the shape of the bag even when the kettlebells have been added to it. Aside from this, it has also been designed with heavy-duty zippers which allow for easy access into the bag while also ensuring that the kettlebells remain carefully in their place. This sandbag features 8 handles that have been strategically placed, making it easier to lift and maneuver when used in different types of workouts. These handles are encased in thick core rubber which makes them comfortable and easy to grip. Likewise, each of the kettlebells has also been made with semi-rigid handles that have a soft neoprene grip for improved comfort. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.